This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the instrument cluster on a Chevy Silverado. We'll start by identifying common issues like dead gauges or dim lighting. Then, we'll cover the necessary tools you'll need, such as a 7mm socket and a plastic trim removal tool. Finally, I'll guide you through the initial, safe steps for removing the cluster from your dashboard, ensuring no damage occurs. Once the cluster is out, the next step is accurate diagnosis. First, always check your vehicle's fuse box for any blown fuses, as this is a common culprit. Next, carefully observe which specific gauges are malfunctioning or if the backlighting is consistently dim. You might also use a multimeter to test for proper power and ground connections at the cluster's wiring harness, ensuring it receives adequate electrical supply. Many cluster issues can be fixed by replacing specific components. For erratic or dead gauges, you'll likely need to replace the stepper motors, which are small, round devices. If your backlighting is dim, consider installing new bulbs or upgrading to brighter LEDs. Sometimes, a visual inspection of the circuit board reveals loose solder joints, which can be carefully resoldered to restore functionality. After completing your repairs, it's time for reassembly and testing. Gently slide the instrument cluster back into its housing, ensuring it seats correctly. Reconnect all wiring harnesses firmly, making sure each connection clicks into place. Finally, turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test every gauge, warning light, and the entire backlighting system to confirm everything is working perfectly before fully securing the trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.